Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Today, we are going to discuss how to write a formal letter, a crucial skill for both academic and professional life. We will go over its format and even walk you through a detailed example. So, let's get started. A formal letter, often known as a business letter, is written for professional or official communication. The language used is usually formal, the structure is particular, and it always has a clear purpose, whether it's to request information, lodge a complaint, or apply for a job. Format of a formal letter. Sender's address. You have to start with sender's address, means the person who's writing the letter. So if you are writing the letter, in sender's address it will be your address. Write your address at the top of the letter on the left-hand side. After the sender's address, skip a line and then write the date. For instance, if the date is the 14th of August, you should not use the format 14/08/23. Instead, 14th August 2023. Always ensure that the date is written in this manner for formal letters. After you have written the date, proceed to the next line and provide the recipient's address. This should be detailed and typically includes the name, designation, if applicable, organization or department, street name, city, and PIN code. Always ensure the recipient's address is complete and accurate to ensure the letter reaches its intended audience. After writing a recipient address, leave a line and write subject. Subject will highlight the issue for which you are writing the letter. Next is salutation. A salutation is a greeting used in a letter. Generally, we use dear followed by the recipient's given name. If the name is unknown, we use sir or ma'am. Body of the letter. This is where you explain your reason for writing. Main body will divide it into 2 or 3 paragraphs. Generally, when I write a letter, I divide it into 3 paragraphs. First is introduction, telling about the introduction of the issue. Second is a content, highlighting or expressing that issue in detail. And third is your conclusion, that is concluding your letter. After this, you have to leave a line and write closing and signature. You can close with phrases like yours sincerely or yours faithfully, followed by your name and signature. Enclosures. If you're including any additional documents, list them here. CC carbon copy. If the letter is also intended for another person, list their name and address here. Now let's use the format and write a formal letter to the head postmaster of the local post office in your city, informing him or her of the change in your postal address as you have shifted to a new house. 42. HSR layout. Inner Circular Road, Mumbai. 17 September 2023. The head postmaster, Jayanagar Post Office, Mumbai 570029. Subject, dash. Change of postal address. Dear Sir or Ma'am, I had been resident of Giant Colony for the past 5 years. However, I have now shifted to 42 HSR layout on Inner Circular Road. I request you to redirect all my letters, parcels and other correspondence to my current residential address given below. Miss Swati Nanda. 42, HSR Layout. Phase 5. Inner Circular Road, Mumbai 570015. Since I am expecting some important letters, I request you to ensure that my correspondence does not get misplaced and is delivered to my correct address which has been furnished above. Thanking you. Yours faithfully, Swati Anand.